The Teen Studio!
In Pampanga Bible, dingdalit 118:14, gagawan na kung mayupaya at masikan ning Ginoo. Yaing babi kaligtasan kako, dingdalit 118:14. And in King James Version, Psalms 118:14, the Lord is my strength and song, and is become my salvation. Psalms 118:14. Thanks be to God po. Salamat po kay Ginoo.
In Takuhin version or in Papua New Guinea language, on Psalm 118:14, Big pla is up strong belong me, na so belong me, na ibing kamapkisimbek belong me, or Psalm 118:14. And in Tagalog version, awit 118:14, ang Panginoon ay aking kalakasan at awit, at siya'y naging aking kaligtasan. Awit 118:14. King James Christian Bible. Talk, thank you. Igulong God. Salamat sa Diyos. Thanks be to God.
Hello, kids. I'm awake now. I'm Mantatanlis. I will tell a story that I will tell to you. You listen to my pag. You listen to Mama. Auto you will text that you will. I want to buy my dress now. Auto my shoes that you are saying. Auto the tongue. I will read it. The eta. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, I'm right. Hey, I'm take. Dirty, I'm take. He's so. Cannot come back anymore. He's so. Yes, I'm right. Hey, I'm take. Dirty, Anyway, love Diyos. Pray to God.